Hello students, myself Gajendra Kumar. I belong to Agra. I want to tell you today about the word problem solutions. Okay, how can we solve every type of word problem through one solution? Come, step 1. First of all, we divide in two parts. Means question. We divide the question in two parts. First part, telling part. Second part, asking part. Means in every type of word problem, there are two parts are given in the question. First is telling part. Means in that part, question will tell you something about an incident, about anything. And in second part, question asks to you, demands to you for the solution. Second step, check. You have to check what is missing in asking part. Means in asking part, which thing question is asking to you. Step 3, write the missing thing right hand side of the page. Then start the solution of the question. You write on the right side of the page, means this is right side of the page. You will write what? Missing thing. Missing thing means in the question asking part, which thing is not given. You will write over here. Next, step 4, write left thing's name left side of the page. Means left things, second thing is left, that is given in the question. You can choose from asking part and write down this side of the page, means left side of the page. Okay students, I have told you there are 4 steps to solve the every word problem. First step, you have to divide the question in two parts. Telling part, in that part something is told to you, and asking part, something is asking to you. Then after, you will write down missing thing from asking part, right hand side of the page, and left hand side, left things, number of left things you will write down. Then after, you will go telling part. What is telling part? Is telling about left things, and what is telling about missing things. Write down those numbers. Then after asking part, what is asking to you. Then after solution, how will you solve it? Look, it is depend on the consideration according to the question. If in question total is asking, means the answer will be increased through your mind, through your consideration. If answer will increase, then you will add always. And in question left is asking, otherwise your answer will decrease, then you will solve subtraction. Then after, if about one thing, anything is given, gene is given, if anything is given about one and anything is asking more than one, then you will always multiply. And for divide, more things about given and one thing about asking, then you will divide always. Like this type, in the multiplication answer will increase always, and in the divide answer will be decrease always. Like this type, you can solve every type of word problem through this chart. It is called, in my point of view, given ask method. I will try to teach you this formula through some examples. Like in question is given Ram is having 2 balls and Shyam is having 2 balls. How many balls do they have altogether? It means consider about the balls, number of balls will increase or decrease. Number of balls will increase. My answer will be increase. Then we find out the total. So total number of balls we will add always. So like this type you can add that. If Ram is having 5 balls and he has given 2 2 balls to his brother. Then how many balls does he have now? What will you do? Always number of balls which Ram is having now will be decreased. For decrease left number of balls, you will subtract. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Ram is having now 3 balls. This solution you will get through subtraction. Then after multiply. For multiply like this, 1 table cost is 200 rupees. Like this type, 5 tables cost you have to find out. Then what will you do? 1 table cost means 1 table cost is given 200 rupees. 5 table cost you have to find out. Then you will always multiply 5 into 200. Then 5 into 200, 1000 rupees. So for multiply, and in this answer will be increase always. And for divide, 5 tables cost is 1000 rupees. And what is the cost of 1 table? 5 table cost means more table cost is given and 1 table cost is asking. Then what will you do? Divide. You will divide 1000 by 5. Then 200 rupees. It means 1 table cost is 200 rupees. So like this type, you can use this formula for the solution of each and every type of word problem. Any further query, you can ask to me through the comment box. Otherwise, you can ask query through the WhatsApp number. It is given in description box. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.